Okay. So today's video is a quick apartment tour. As most of you know, my last trip was to Dubai, and I and my boyfriend stayed in this really cool Airbnb apartment, which I feel like I should share. The Airbnb was at Marina Dubai. Yeah, really cool spot, really cool place. So before we get into this video, this is like a quick pardon me video, because when I shot this video, I shot it vertically and not landscape. So just in case, because I know most of you want to bash me, oh, you shot your video vertically, blah blah blah, yada yada. Yes, I know I shot the video vertically, and I'm really sorry about that, because when I shot this video, I didn't have it in mind to like start up a YouTube channel. It's just now inspiration. I feel like making videos now, you know. So yeah, without much further ado, let's get into the video. Is the light to this place? Okay. All right. I can't come back in myself. I hope, but I'm just lazy. I hope she If you've made it this far, thank you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that now below. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.